Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And today we have an exciting video for you. As you all know, in the previous 2 months, I have uploaded a video called I made Jarvis using Python programming language, which was huge hit, and many of you requested a tutorials on how to build it yourself. So, in this series, we will be walking you through the step-by-step process. In today's video, we'll start by setting up our IDE and making the engine together. So let's dive right in it. So first, let's choose an IDE. Now, there are lots of IDE in the market like Python, Visual Studio Code, and many more. But uh, I'm going to recommend you to use VS Studio Code. You can use other whatever you like, but I like to recommend you to use VS Code because it is very easy to use it and it is highly customizable with some extension which makes our work a lot easier, and it is a highly popular also. Okay, so to install VS Code, open a new tab and search for VS Code and then head over to code.visualstudio.com. I will find it in the description too, and then download it for your reference platform. Okay, so now I have already installed it, so I'm going to cancel and open my VS Code. Okay, the user interface of VS Studio Code will look like this. So now we need to import folder first. So click on file, or you can do like open folder over here directly, or you can do like click on file and click on open folder and open a folder. If you don't have a folder, then create a new one. Right click new folder. Okay, so now I have a folder called AI in which I'm going to create Jarvis. Okay, so now you can see AI has been written over here, which is the folder name. Okay, now I have opened the folder in the Visual Studio Code. So let's create a new file by clicking this file icon over here. Okay, so let's name it. You can name whatever you want. Let me write jarvis.py. So now we have created a Python file. So you can name whatever you want, but .py extension is compulsory. So after that, we need a module called pyttsx3 to convert any type of text into speech. Okay, so to install that module, click on terminal, click on new terminal. If you are in VS Code, then write pip install pyttsx3. Hit enter, and it's going to download all the things in your document. Now I have downloaded it in my document, so I'm going to import it by writing input pyttsx3. Here we have successfully imported pyttsx3 in our document. Now we will define a variable called engine. Engine equals, we'll write pyttsx3 dot init, which is a function. Okay, so after that, we need to define another variable called voices. Voices equals engine dot, we want to get the property voice, so we write get property voices. And then we'll write engine dot set property, will set the voice, and we'll write a comma, and then we will write voices dot 0 dot id. After that, we're going to set a rate like whenever you play this video in 1.5x playback speed, then the video will be a little bit faster. Like this, we have rate in pyttsx module. That engine dot set property, and we will write rect, and we will get a value. I think 300 is okay. So now we have set up the engine. So now we can make our Jarvis to say hello world by using script like say function. We write engine dot say, and we will pass the value over here, hello world, and then we will write engine dot run and wait, which is a function. Let's run it.
Hello world.
Okay, now our Jarvis, it's basically like a text to speech converter. Okay, so now our Jarvis can speak. Okay, so now we need to write engine.say. So this is like kind of difficult. So now we're going to make it a lot easier. Let's control X over here. Let's cut out from here and define a function called talk. And inside the parameter, we'll pass text, which is the value. And here we will paste it same code. And in the hello world, we will pass the text. So now whenever we want our Jarvis to speak something, then we can write talk and we can pass the value over here. Hello world, my name is Jarvis. And now let's run.
Hello world, my name is Jarvis.
Okay. So if you want female voice, then you can do like this. You can change this 0 to 1. And whenever you run
Hello world, my
again,
name is Jarvis.
then you will get the female voice. Okay. So yeah, that's much for this video. Now we have made our engine speakable by using PyTTSS module, and in this video we're going to make our Jarvis to hear us by using speaker recognition module. So now this series is going to be a lot of more interesting. Again, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification on so that you will never miss any update. Yeah, let's go to this video from the next video.
So hey guys, also welcome back to our new video, and today in this video we're going to make our Jarvis to listen us by using speaker recognition module. So as I have told you in my previous video, or if you haven't watched the previous video, go and check it out. The link is in the description box below. So now in the previous video, we have set up the IDE and we have make the engine speakable as a text-to-speech converter. So now today in this video, we're going to make the Jarvis to listen our voice, and we are going to write some code and make our Jarvis to perform to listen our voice and perform tasks according to our voice. So this is going to be use interesting, and this is the important step in building a virtual assistant. So let's get into the video. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use a module called speaker recognition. So now I'm in my AI folder, and this is the code that we have done previously. Okay, so let me show you a sample by click on the run button.
Hello world, my name is Jarvis.
Okay, so now our Jarvis is basically like a text-to-speech converter. It will say all the text where it will say all the text in this parameter. Okay, so now we are going to make it to hear our voice by using speak recognition. Open any browser and search for speak recognition Python and click this link and then copy this link. Okay, so now go on your PS Studio Code or any IDE you are using, click on new terminal and then press Control V, so and then hit the enter button. Then it's going to download speaker recognition. I have already installed it, so it is showing me like requirement already satisfied. Now we're going to import it. That's right. Import speak recognition. So now when we want to use speaker recognition, then we can write like speaker recognition as we have done with pyttsx3 over here. You can see we have written pyttsx3.init. So writing speaker recognition everywhere will be a difficult task. Like it will be too much long and our code will become too much only. So we're going to give a short name for it. Suppose like as yes sir. So now we can use the speaker recognition by writing yes sir. Okay. So after that, we're going to set up a listener. So here we'll write listener equals, we are creating a variable called listener. Inside here, we will write yes sir dot recognizer. Recognizer, which is a function. Okay. So after that, now we're going to create a function called take command, def take command. And here we're going to write, we're going to set up a try and expect block to catch catch or handle any error that may occur while running the Jarvis. Okay, so we will write try, and inside the try block we will write with sr dot microphone, and we will it's a function, so we'll write add source. So we're using the sr dot microphone. It means the microphone as a source. After that, whenever our Jarvis is listening to us, then we want to, like, it will give us a signal such as like listening. So now whenever our Jarvis is listening to us, then it will print listening. Okay, so that we can understand. After that, we will write voice equals listener dot listen source. Okay, so we will write bracket, and inside here we will pass source. After that, we're going to create a variable called command, and we will write listener dot recognize Google, and then we will write voice. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you each line of code later. Then we will do like command equals command dot lower, wait, which is a function, and then we will print the command, and after that we will return the command so that we can use it in our further function. Then we will close expect, and here we will write return, and we will return empty string. Okay, so now what we have done is just we have used a module called speak recognition, and after that we have we have create a variable listener with the value sr.recognizer. After that, we have created a function to take all the commands from the user with the name take command, where we have used try expect block to handle or catch any error that may occur while running the program. After that, we have used the microphone as a source. Okay, so after that, we have printed the listening, which will show us or tell the user where to speak. Okay, after that, we have created a voice variable where we have a listener, which we have created here, listener equal yes recognizer. After that, we have listened to the source, which is microphone. Okay, so after that, now we have declared a variable called command where we have used listener dot recognize Google. So let me tell you what is recognize. Here we have used an API of Google. So you can use, instead of recognize Google, you can use recognize Amazon or a lot of things. So this is basically an API of Google we are using. Okay, so now we have used Google API to listen for the voice, and in the parameter we have passed the voice. After that, we have created also another command variable, like it's the same, and we have make the command into the lower alphabet, and we have now printed the command. After that, we have written the command to be used in our further functions. Okay, so after that, we have set up an expect block where we will written empty string. Okay, so now whenever I go and run this program, then you can see the engine will talk only hello world. My name is Jarvis.
My name is Jarvis.
Okay, so now we're going to create another function to make this take command workable, and we're going to make it response according to our code. So first, we'll let me create a function called run Jarvis, and inside here I will define a variable command equals take command, which is the function we have created just above this run Jarvis. So we will write if hello in command. Okay, so if the user speak hello, then let's talk Hi, boss. How are you? Let's run and see. Okay, so now we need to run it in a loop. So we will use while loop. To do that, we will write while true run Jarvis. So now it's going to run for infinite time.
Hello, world. My name's Jarvis.
Hello.
Hi, boss. How are you?
Okay, so you can see now it's working, but it's listening to us. Now we want to make it like whenever users say quit or goodbye, then it should be quit. Okay, it should quit. So we will write elif goodbye. Goodbye. Wait, we are going to elif exit in command. Then we will talk goodbye with exclamation mark, and then we will run a function called exit, which will exit the program, and then we will write a else block. If all the above information become false, then we will uh, talk, make the Jarvis to talk. Okay, so let me pass it as a string now. Let's delete this existing terminal and let us run.
Hello, world. My name's Jarvis.
Hello,
Hi, boss. How are you?
I'm fine.
I don't understand.
Exit.
Goodbye.
Yes, now it's working. Likewise, you can do a lots of things and you can write something in elif command. Okay, so that was for this today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. And in the previous video, we have set up this speaker recognition and created some interactive responses. And today in this video, we're going to make our Jarvis to play any song for us and rate us according to the time, tell us current time, and tell us some jokes. And yeah, we're going to do lots of crazier thing in this video. So please watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Okay, so now I'm in my working directory, and this was the code that we have done in our previous video. Okay, so at first, we are going to create our Jarvis to greet us according to the current time. Okay, so like in its evening, then it will say or greet us good evening and many more. Okay, so to do that, we'll need a module called date time, which will give us current date time. So just write import data, you don't have to install it. Okay, so after that we're going to create a function here. What we are going to do is just we will define a variable called current time equals datetime dot now, which is a function, and then we will write hour so that we will get the hour. So we'll write current time dot hour. So let us print current time and hour. Let's run it. Okay, so we need to call the function. Okay, so I forgot to call. So we'll write greeting. Let's run. Okay, so you can see we have got the time over here. Okay, so this is the date and this is the time 19:37:47, and all the other stuff are there. Okay, so now what we are going to do is just now we have hour. So we're going to do like we'll set a bunch of if else. If then we will write 3 less than or equal to hour less than 12, then we will talk Good morning, sir. Let's remove this. And then we will write another elif 12 smaller or equals to power and smaller than 18. Okay, so then we are going to make it talk. Otherwise we will write else. Otherwise we will talk good evening, sir. Okay, so that was the basic code, and now you can see the current time is 7:25 p.m. Let's run and see the output.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so it is greeting us by saying good evening. So now the greet function is working. Okay, after that, what we are going to do is we're going to make our Jarvis to tell us some jokes. Okay, so to do that, head over to the browser and search for PyJokes. Click on the first link, copy the first link, go on VS Code, click on terminal and the new terminal, and then paste the code, hit enter. Then it's going to install the PyJokes. Now let's close the terminal and we will import PyJokes. After that, in the run Jarvis, which is the main function, we will create an elif statement. So we will write elif joke in command. So when the user says joke, then we will talk like pyjokes dot get joke, which is a function to get the joke. Get joke. Okay. Now let's run.
Good evening, sir.
Can you tell me some joke?
How many programmers does it take to change a light bulb?
Okay.
None. They
It's
just make
working.
darkness a standard.
Okay. So let's kill this terminal. And now we have done the joke section. Now we're going to create a new command like elif statement. So whenever the user say play believer, play lovely, play runaway, or any song, then our Jarvis will open the browser, search for the song, and play us the song. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use PyWhatKit. Okay, so head over to Google and search for PyWhatKit. Click on first link. So after that, click on terminal, click on new terminal, and then paste the following code and hit enter. Then it's going to download PyTTSX3. PyWhatKit. I have already downloaded. So let me open, like import it. PyWhatKit, and now whenever the user say play in command, then what we are going to do is we're going to make it talk playing plus the song name which is in the command. So we'll write command and then we will do like PyWhatKit dot play on YT and we will pass command. Let's run.
Good evening, sir.
Play believer.
Playing Play Do River.
Okay, it's going to the YouTube and searching for a random song. So we need to make some quick changes. So what we are going to do is just create a variable song where we will write command dot replace, like suppose the user say play deliver or something, so we're going to replace the play with an empty string. Okay, so what we're going to do is talk playing plus instead of command we'll write song, and there we will write song. Let's run it.
Good evening, sir.
Play believer.
Playing believer.
Yo, now you can see it's playing believer. Okay, so yeah, that was the play command. After that, what we are going to do is just suppose I want to know the time, then I can just tell my Jarvis to tell the time, and then it will tell me the current time. So to do that, what I'm going to do is just create another ellipse statement. Here we will write time in command, and then we will write time equals and datetime dot now to get the current date, and we will write dot, and then in this keyword we will write what are the things that we want to get. So we want to get hour, so we'll capital Letters, and then colon, and then we will write minute, and then we will print time, and then make our jobs to talk the time to talk time. Let's run.
Good evening, sir.
Can you tell me time?
1947.
I guess you can see it is telling us 1947, which is in 24 hour. So we can simply do it in AM or PM by using I instead of H, and we will give a space and we'll write %P. Let's run.
Good evening, sir.
Can you tell me current time?
7:48 p.m.
Okay, so you can see 7:48 p.m. over here, which is the exactly time over here. So yeah, now we're going to write like, okay, yeah, so now we have done the time also. Do multiple, like if the user doesn't speak hello, if the user say yo, what's up, so then you can do like or command or yo in command, then you can do like this. Okay, so now whenever I run and say
Good evening, sir.
hello,
Hi, boss. How are you?
yo,
Hi, boss. How are you?
okay, so it's giving a same output. So likewise, you can create multiple things. So much for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on creating Jarvis virtual assistant using Python. I hope you all have been enjoying the journey so far. In our last 3 videos, we covered the basic of creating a simple Jarvis code. But from this video, we are taking things up to a notch and diving into the advanced coding technique to make our Jarvis even more advanced. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Okay, so this was the code that we have done previously, and our first step is to create or make our Jarvis to open or close any program application in our computer. Okay, so to do that, we're going to need a module called PyAutoGUI. So click on new terminal, go on Chrome and search for PyAutoGUI, and then go to this link, and basically it will automate your mouse or keyboard using some programming code where you can read the project description over here. You can see programmatically control the mouse and keyboard. Okay, go on the terminal and paste the code, hit the enter. Okay, so now it has been downloaded. After that, let me import. After that, what I'm going to do is just creating a new elif statement where the user like when the user say open, like open Chrome, something in command, then what we're going to do is just replace the open. Okay, suppose if the user say open Chrome, then we are going to remove that open and make Chrome only. Okay, to do that, we'll write command equals command dot replace. What we are going to replace open with empty string. So in this code, we're going to use 3 PyAutoGUI function, which is press, typewrite, and sleep. Press is used to press any type of button. Suppose if I write PyAutoGUI dot press, and then if I write F1, then it's going to press the F1 key. When I write F, then it's going to press the F key. Okay, so this is a function of press. And whenever I write pyautoGUI dot type write, which is a function where suppose I write hello, and this code will be okay. So suppose I write hello and just look at my cursor. Okay, so here is my cursor. Look at my cursor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Open. Okay, you can see hello has been written over here, okay, by the Jarvis. So typewrite is used to write anything that you pass in this parameter. Okay, so after that we have pyautoGUI dot sleep, which is used to make our like pyautoGUI to sleep. Suppose if I write 1 second, then it will sleep for 1 second after. Okay, so now let me tell you what's the logic. I want whenever the user say or talk open Chrome, then it will remove the open which we have written over here, and then it will click on this window icon over here, and then search for the open Chrome. Then it will and then it will remove the open, and it will write for Chrome over here, and then hit the enter to open the Chrome. Okay, I hope you got the point. So after that, what we're going to do is just in the press we're going to write the name. So this window or button is also called super. So let me write super, and inside the type write we are going to write command. Okay, so after that we are going to make it to sleep for 1 second, and then we're going to write pyautoGUI dot press and enter. After that it will press the enter, and then we're going to make it to talk opening, and let's concatenate it with the command. Okay, now let's run it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Open Chrome.
Opening Chrome.
Okay, so you can see it's opening, but I want it to close the program when I say close. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do is just create another elif statement over here. So let's delete this at first, and here I'll write elif when the user say close in command. Then what we're going to do is just uh, there is a function called pyautoGUI dot hotkey, which is used to press two keys at a time. Okay, so to close the program we need to write alt we need to press alt plus F4. So to do that, so simply write this, and it's going to press alt plus F4 at a time, and then we're going to write that oh sorry, we're going to make it to talk closing sir. Okay, so now let's see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Open Chrome.
Opening Chrome.
Close.
Closing, sir.
Okay, you can see now it's working. So what if I paste this over here? Okay, so now it's working. After that, what we're going to do is just now we are going to make something like whenever you say who is Ronaldo or who is uh, any celebrity's name, then it will say something about that celebrity. Okay, some biography. To do that, we're going to use a module called Wikipedia. So you can search Wikipedia in this website, and you will see this Wikipedia 1.4.0. Copy this and download it in your terminal. So after now it will download the Wikipedia. Then what we're going to do is just import Wikipedia with Wikipedia. So after that we're going to set up a new elif condition. Elif what we're going to do is who is in command. Then we're going to create a variable person equals command dot replace. We're going to replace what? We're going to replace who is with who is with a empty string, so that it will remove that who is, and then we'll get the name of the person. After that, we will create a variable info equals wikipedia dot summary, and inside the bracket we will write person, which is the name of the person, and how much paragraph we want. So let me write 1, and after that hit the enter, and we're going to print the info plus we're going to talk info. So let's run and ask
Good afternoon, sir.
who is Donald Trump.
Donald John Trump, born June 14, 1946, is an American politician, media personality, and businessman who served as the 45th President of the United States from 2017 to 2021.
So you can see it's working now. So what I'm going to do is just I want to make it a little bit more. So I'll write 2, and after that we have completed who is also. So now we're going to do a huge thing called remembering, making our Jarvis to remember things. Okay, so to do that, what we're going to do is just uh, create another elif, and here we will write remember remember only. Okay, so after that also we need to write remember that also in command. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable remember message equals command dot replace with, let me copy this, we need to write as, like we need to write same to same with a empty string. Okay, after that what we're going to do is just make it to talk. You told me to remember that, and we will concatenate it with the remember message. And then what we're going to do is just creating a new remember file. Okay, so create remember.txt file, which is a txt file, and then here we are going to do like mm, remember equals open. We will write the file name remember with remember.txt, and we will give a comma. So we're going to write a, so after that we will write remember with remember dot write remember message, and then what we're going to do is remember dot clothes. So let's run it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Remember that I have to attend my online class.
You told me to remember that I have to attend my online class.
So now it's working. Let's go in okay, you can see I have to attend my online class has been written over here. Okay, so now I want my Jarvis to tell me. Suppose whenever I say what do you remember, okay, so then it should say like you told me to remember this, and so to do that let's write elif, and here we'll write do you what do you remember in command. Then what we're going to do is remember equals we are going to do like open remember.txt and comma we will write r, which is used to read it, and then we will make it to talk. uh, you you told me to remember, and we will write plus, and we are going to make remember dot read, which is a function to read the file. So let's see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Remember that I have to attend my online class.
You told me to remember that I have to attend my online class.
What do you remember?
Hi, boss, how are you?
What do you remember?
Hi, boss, how are you?
Okay, so there is in con. Okay, so I need to remove this yo. Instead of yo, I can write hi. So now whenever I say
Good afternoon, sir.
remember that you are made by a genius person.
You told me to remember that you are made by a genius person.
What do you remember?
You told me to remember I have to attend my online class. I have to attend my online class. You are made by a genius person.
Okay, so it is reading this whole thing. So that's much for the today's video. Let me delete this unnecessary stuff, and that was the beginning part. Now in the coming videos we're going to do some more advanced tags by using our Jarvis, and we're in the next video we're going to make it to remove the thing that our Jarvis remember. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. So hey guys, also welcome back to our channel, and this is the fifth video of our series creating Jarvis virtual assistant using Python, and this is going to be the last video of our series. And in this video we're going to do a lots of interesting and huge tags. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in the this was the code that we have done previously, and in the previous video I have told you that we're going to make our Jarvis to clear the remember file by using the user command. Okay, so I have done it and I'm going to explain you. Okay, so this is the code here. First we have set up an elif student where the user will say clear remember file in command. Okay, after that we have created a variable named file, and then what we have done is used open function to open the remember.txt, which is this file where the Jarvis will store everything that we told him to remember. Okay, after that we have given a comma and write w, which means that it will open our file in writing mode so that our Jarvis can change or modify or write something in it. Okay, so after that we have used file.write, which is a function, and inside the parameter we have passed f an empty string, which will which will make everything empty. Okay, which will convert everything into the emptiness, so it will write empty. Okay, after that it will say done sir. Okay, suppose I write let me show you a quick demo. See this remember.txt file.
Good morning, sir.
Remember, you are silly.
I don't understand.
Remember that I need to attend my online class.
You told me to remember that I need to attend my online class.
What do you remember?
You told me to remember I need to attend my online class.
Clear remember file.
Done, sir. Everything I remember has been deleted.
Okay, so you can see it will delete everything in this remember.txt. Okay, so now after that what we're going to do is just we're going to set up two elif for making our Jarvis to shut down a computer. Okay, so we'll write elif, and when the user says shut down in command, then what we're going to do is just make it to talk, and then we will make it to talk again, like 3 2 1, which is a countdown. Okay, so Why I'm giving this full stop is because it will stop after the full stop. Okay, so it will say like 3 2 1 instead of saying 3 2 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to need a module called OS. So we're going to need a module called OS, so we'll write import OS. Okay, so you don't have to install it. And then what we're going to do is os dot system os dot system, and inside the parameter we will write shutdown, and we will give space and write here /yes/t and 1. Okay, so this after so while running this command it will shut down our computer. Okay, so let me copy this command and paste it over here, and let's create a restart also. Okay, so whenever the user say restart in command, then restarting the PC in 3 2 and instead of yes we are going to change and make it to R, so that it will restart. Okay, so that's what the basic code. And now what we're going to do is, suppose when I say search Donald Trump, search Bill Gates, then it will go on the internet and search for the person and show us the result. Okay, so to do that we're going to need a module called web browser. So suppose go on okay, I'll give the link in the description below. So search for web browser and go on this py copy web browser, copy this link, or you can directly search for py copy. Okay, so you will see this pypi website. Okay, go and copy this and then open the terminal, new terminal, and then paste the code, hit the enter, then it's going to download some required file. Okay, after that you can do like import web browser and go over here, and then let's create another elif where the user will say search in command. Then what we're going to do is just create a new variable called user command equals. What we're going to do is just we're going to replace command dot replace, we're going to replace search with empty string, so that it will remove search. And then what we're going to do is change this user command equals user command dot lower. Okay, so that it will change everything to lower, and we will write web browser dot open. What we're going to open is user cm, and then we're going to make it talk like this is what I found on the internet. Let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Search Bill Gates.
This is what I found on the internet.
Okay, so you can see it is showing us the result. Okay, after that let me remove it, and now we're going to create some automations. Okay, suppose whenever I run this and say something like
Good morning, sir.
play believer.
Playing believer.
Okay, so then it will go on the internet and play believer for us, but I want to pause it without using my hand. Suppose I'm eating some chips or something, then I need to pause it by using my voice. So to do that, what we're going to do is just creating a new command over here. Elif. Pause.
Hi boss, how are you?
Pause video. So in the YouTube, whenever you press the K, then it's going to play, and whenever you press the K, it's going to stop. Okay, so we're going to set two conditions at a time. If there is pause in command, or if there is play in command, then what we're going to do is we're going to use a module pyautogui dot press. What we're going to press, K, and we're going to do like make it to talk. Done, sir. Okay, now let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Play, let's go.
Play, let's go.
Pause video.
Done, sir.
Play video.
Playing video.
Whoa, we got some error. Okay.
Google Plus, sometimes written as Google Plus, sometimes called G Plus, is a defunct social.
Okay, so what's the error is whenever you say play, then you can see where we have written play. Okay, we have written play in this song. Okay, so it's going to play, so it's going to do this at first. So now what we're going to do is just changing this play to or anything. Okay, start, and then here we will write stop the video. So let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Play, let's go.
Playing, let's go.
Stop.
Done, sir.
Start.
Done, sir.
Close.
Closing, sir.
Okay, so you can see that's this by using this technique you can automate your daily activities. Okay, so isn't it amazing that you are just saying K, like you are just saying stop, start, and it's going to stop or start. Okay, so you can do like this, and we're going to add some more functionality like if users say turn on full. Okay, we are going to write full screen in command. Then what we're going to do is just pasting this same thing, and by pressing it, let's restart it.
Good morning, sir.
Start.
Done, sir.
Full screen.
Done, sir.
Turned off full screen.
Done, sir.
Stop.
Done, sir.
Okay, so likewise you can do like this, which is pretty awesome, and you can add a lots of things like whenever you want to turn it to the theater mode, then you can like press T by using okay, so let me show you. Copy this bunch of code, paste over here, and then theater mode, and here it will press T, and then
For you.
so let me delete it at first. Okay, so that much for this today's video, and in this series I have shown you how you can create your own virtual assistant which will help you to automate your basic tasks like playing video, doing something, and searching for something. You can do like this, and which will make your tasks automate, and it will do it in less time, so that you will save your time also. Okay, so this is not an completely AI, but we have tried to make it as much better as you can. So yeah, that's much for this today's video. And in the next, what you want to learn or in which series you want next video, then you can comment down below. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.